Hey guys, welcome back. This is Flo. So real quick, some free game over here. Somebody asked me about my trailer RAM setup and my backup camera. So I got this from Amazon. It came with a 7-inch LCD screen. You can throw it an SD card to record everything that's happening in that door, and for security purposes, when you do your deliveries or whatever it is you do, it records everything. So real simple setup, everything's wireless. Back to the trailer RAM setup. So everything's from Home Depot. Just got a couple door hinges, the door threshold at the bottom, and the 46-inch plywood pre-cut with a couple hinges. Everything fits up and it makes everything run smooth in and out. So yeah, any more questions, let me know. See ya.